everybody, so today I'm going to do my unboxing Birchbox, but it's not going to be an unboxing. I got my Birchbox a couple days ago, like way back, and I'm like, I got it, opened the thingy, got it, and I'm like, oh, what's this smell? I'm like, oh, okay, smells good, okay. I opened it up to get the box out, and I'm like, whoa. And I came upstairs. Did I brought the box with me? No, I opened it up downstairs. I brought the box upstairs in my room. I opened up to see what I have, because I already got a sneak peek of it. And I'm like, oh, okay. So this is the box. Beautiful box. I can't use it. Can't keep it. My perfume shattered. So I immediately went on the Birchbox app and I said, figure out where to go to. And I said, I opened my box and my perfume sample probably blew up because of the heat, because of where it was at, or I don't know how it broke. So yeah, they sent a message right away saying, we're sorry, yes, we have more samples of the product that you had, and we'll send you one. So I'm like, oh, that's great, because I like it. Yes, it's overpowering, but it's a wonderful scent. So let's do what I got in my Birchbox and my new sample that did not break or bust. Okay, so this is what the card is and stuff like that. It's like how to hack your summer. So that's cool. Okay, so I got a eyebrow liner, and it's a waterproof. Yeah, my first brow. It's a liquid, so yeah, of course. So I have other things with this. I have a lot of products with certain stuff. So this is my first, because I have a brow pencil, and I have this. I'm gonna look up some videos and learn how to use this, because this will be nice. So the full size is 20. This is a London brand. I also have 2 liquid eyeliners. One is skinny, one is fat. I don't do wing eyeliners, but I maybe want to try, so I still have them. But I like it. I swatched it last night on my hand. Let's see. Next. Ooh, sorry, I talk loud. I didn't mean that. Say next really loudly. Next, I have this Rare Earth Deep Pore Daily Cleanser. I couldn't wait to try this because it's deep. It cleans your pores deeply, and that's what I need, especially in this area, or my whole face, let's just say. So yes, I've been using this, and but the full size is 23. This also detox, exfoliate, because it has little kind of like little beads, but not really. It has a good texture, and it's not over drying. Great for my skin. I have I get little dry patches, but that's okay. But anyways, it works into a foam, lathers, removes dirt, toxin without drying your skin. It dries a little bit for my skin type, but I've been using this. Oh, sorry. I've been using this, like, I think this is my third time. Yeah, my third time. Once I used it with my hands. The other 2 times I used with the brush that I got for, oh gosh, not Clean Clear. Proactive. What my grandma gave me and I tried, and it, yeah. But I kept the brush. So I used this with the brush. I just put a little bit, lather on the bristle head, and then stuff. And one thing when you do try, this out, sorry. It does kick in really fast. You will feel the burn. That means it's deep cleaning, it's detoxing, and make your skin look healthy, and just make you feel really good for your face and your skin. So yeah, when I tried this, I left it on for like a couple minutes, because it felt good. I'm like, ooh, I know it's working. This is a good product. So yeah, kind of burned here, but my skin healed. So yeah, this is a good product. Good size too. This is going to last for a long time. Okay. Oh. I have one more product. This is, and then my sample that I got. Is a City 24-hour day and night moisturizer. Full size is 24. It's just this guy here. I have multiple products from this brand. It helps with dullness and dehydrate, and all that good stuff it does. So yeah, it's supposed to last 24 hours, so that's cool. Haven't tried that. Next thing is a root nourishing serum. Whew, that's expensive. $60. So I opened my box up to see what I got and stuff. So I was like, this. I'm like, okay, it's a serum because it's liquid, of course. I'm surprised it didn't break with that because it's heavy glass. But it also came with this. And I'm like, huh? So I'm like, I'm gonna say this didn't break because it was like thin glass. So I'm like, okay. So I open this up. You can take this off and you put this in here and you drop it in your roots and you massage. Ooh, sorry. But anyways, it's supposed to help your hair grow healthier or something like that. Hang on. Let me see what it says here. Oh, excuse me. Let's see. Healthier hair growth from roots. Apply a few drops onto scalp, massage and thoroughly. So it like helps your hair grows, and if you have hair problems, that'd be great. So it's just this Nature Queen. It's just this bottle, just in case if you guys want to check it out on Birchbox. I don't need it, but it's good to, if my mom watches, she can use it to help with her hair. And then my sample that, oops, I can't show it because that's there's my sample that came in the mail. This is the whatever perfume, 105 for the full size. So take that out. I'll show you, and then we'll show you what else also came in here. It's kind of weird. Okay, So, this is the perfume. Ah, there we go. That's what it looks like. Not all shattered. But I really liked the scent. It was really nice. It was overpowering. It took a while for the whole house to go back to normal. But it's very nice. What scent it has? Let's see. It has notes of something, I don't know, white butterfly, jasmine, and cedarwood. That's about it. Smells really good and stuff like that. But anyways, that too. Anyways, I'm like, oh, what's this thing that came in? A little promotion thing. Birchbox sells wine. You get 25% off, and this is what you do. So if anybody wants this, you can have this, because I don't drink wine. So here's this, just in case you guys want to, get some wine. It's nice because you get, that's what you get that. You get full size, of course. But, but that's not bad. You get 3, and you do like what wine you like and all that stuff. So I don't know if this expires.